Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be starting about noun, that is possessive case. So let's just begin. So the title of our chapter is the noun possessive case, right? There is a warm-up exercise. You have to pick the correct possessive case in the noun below. जैसे कि आप देखिए अवीज फादर, देखिए अवीज फादर, गर्ल्स के स्कूल है, बॉयज का हॉस्टल है, एंड चेयर्स लेग. देखिए दिस विच वन इज करेक्ट. लेट मी टेल यू दिस. Avi's father, this is absolutely correct, right? Girls school, I think there is no need to write about this S over here. Chairs leg बिल्कुल गलत है, and boys hostel ये भी गलत है, right? So आप देखिए हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. जो possessive form है noun की, it basically shows the belongingness और उनकी ownership. You have to read the following sentences carefully. The books of Nidhi, they are very interesting. Nidhi's book are very interesting, right? The brother of Bharti is my friend. Bharti's brother, जो भारती के भाई हैं वो मेरे दोस्त हैं. These garments belong to Money. These are Money's garment, right? So the sentences given above on both the sides, they mean the same, but the sentences on the right hand side, they are shorter and of course they sounds better. So apostrophe is used to add to show its possessive case. So how you can form this possessive case for the singular noun? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस दैट दिस इज राधिका साड़ी. ये राधिका की साड़ी है. क्वीन का जो गाउन है दैट इज क्वींस गाउन्स आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव था. सो द अबव सेंटेंसेस शोज द possessive case of a singular noun which is formed by adding s, right, to the noun, and the letter s is not within those words and they end with s having two hissing sounds. दो hissing sound है. इन cases में apostrophe एक ही यूज होता है, जैसे कि Jesus sake and Moses laws, right? How you can form a possessive case for the plural nouns? You have to read the following sentences carefully. There are many girls hostel in the city. City में बहुत सारे girls hostel हैं. They have taken the membership of the famous men's club की उन्होंने membership ली है. These are children's book. बच्चों की किताबें हैं. He is a student of reputed boys की boarding school का बहुत ही reputed बच्चा है, right? You have to read the sentences that show that the possessive case of the plural noun that end with s, इसमें हम ऐड क्या करेंगे? apostrophe. जैसे कि boys boarding school, boys का boarding school है, girls का hostel है. Possessive case of a plural noun में does not end in the s. It is only formed by adding apostrophe, जैसे कि children's books and men's club. Next is possessive case is mainly used with the name of living things, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं dog का tail and elephant's ear, right? We use preposition of for expressing the possessive case of the non-living thing. Just say the tire of the car, not the car tires, right? The button of the coat, not the coat's button. There is a short recap that possessive form of a noun, it is used to show the ownership and of course the belongingness. To show the possession, we used apostrophe s and the end. Moving on to the exercise, you have to form the possessive case of the following group of words. जैसे कि the teachers, the teaching of Buddhas, तो हम लिख सकते हैं Buddha's teachings, right? So you can write over here is Buddha's teaching. Right? Next is the kingdom of emperors Ashoka. आप लिख सकते हैं emperors Ashoka's kingdom. Just one correction over here is that you don't have to put apostrophe over here. Right? The sonnet of William Shakespeare's sonnet. Sonnet is again a figure of speech, right? The odes of P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley's ode. These all are the literature authors, very famous authors. ओड्स थोड़ी सी स्टोरीज होती हैं, छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज होती हैं. द राइटिंग ऑफ फ्रांसिस बेकन राइटिंग्स. Just delete this apostrophe from here, right? Right? The crown of the king, king's crown. Next is the gown of the princess, princess gowns. The movement of the people, people's movement, right? So that was all about noun and its possessive case. Please go through this, try to whatever source from wherever you are reading, read those sentences, try to extract some few sentences and just make their possessive case respectively. Keep doing hard work for your exam, keep reading each day and stay blessed. Thank you.